Alright guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss about RAM DeFi. So RAM DeFi is an amazing decentralized platform. I will just explain the benefits of this and then a high yield form in this platform and the cross chain bridges in this platform. So before going into the video, please do like and subscribe to the channel because I post different DeFi fundamental analysis, technical analysis and then lot of videos. So don't miss out these exclusive videos. Just subscribe the channel and like the video guys. And do follow me on Twitter guys because I'm so active on Twitter. I post different news and then my opinions on Twitter, so it will be so useful for you guys. I won't be able to make videos on everything, so I post most of my stuffs in Twitter. So do follow me on Twitter guys. So let's get into the video. RAM DeFi is an amazing decentralized platform. It has so much benefits guys. It has been backed by many different projects. It has cross-chain bridges. You can just bridge your coins from Ethereum to BSC or BSC to Ethereum, BSC to Polygon and many different things. They give staking rewards like many other projects, and then you can borrow money for staking your coins in their platform. Just like a eBay platform, I'll just explain how this works. From your wallets, you stake your coins and then you can borrow. That is mint their stable coin. It is equal to borrowing money and then put them into wallets. That's it. Of course there will be fees for doing these things, and they will just take the fees, buy back their tokens and then burn it. So it's gonna be a deflationary token. So in the long term we can expect that these price increases because they have burning plans. Let's see about their partners and then integrations. IOST is there, Tezos is there, Injective Protocol, Graph, Algorand. So good ecosystem partners, and then they have plans up to Q3 2021, which is gonna be next quarter. So their plans are gonna finish up to now. They will come up with new plans. So let's look at their advisors: JP Morgan, Binance, IOST, and then Waterblock, Microsoft. They have so many big investors. IOST is a big venture, and then Blockwater is a big venture. Ruby Capital is a big venture. We have seen them in investing in many different projects guys. So they have been backed by many different projects. So overall this seems a good project. Let's look at their app guys. I connected my wallet here. This primarily works on Binance Smart Chain and then later it was taken to Polygon mainnet. So you can do yield farming and staking either in Binance Smart Chain or Polygon. So they have high staking rewards. See guys, 10% for 10% API for cake. That's crazy, right? While PancakeSwap gives you just 30% API for cake. So it's the best platform to stake your cake guys. And then they also have many different LP walls and then stable coin walls. See guys, they are giving 30% API for stable coins. So this is crazy in my opinion. Many projects give just 10%, 5% and then 15% for stable coins. This platform is giving 30%. I will surely use this platform just for staking my stable coins because 30% a year is a good return when it is a stable coin. They have different walls: INJBNB wall 72%, NORBBN wall 7742%. This is great, right? Just now they introduced this form right now, so we can expect that the APY will decrease as soon as many people come into this. IOXTBUSD from 119%. In my opinion, what I would do is I would invest in this. I will take some amount of my stable coins and invest in this, and also I will invest in NORBBNB pair and take the returns and then again invest into stable coins. This would be a better strategy to invest in these type of platforms, DeFi platforms. Many people are coming into DeFi and then doing yield farms and many different things, so it's the right time to enter into RAM DeFi Fiament. And then of course I will stake my cake here, as it is not an LP vault. Just staking my cake, it will be so safe and then giving me 100% APY. Of course I won't sell my cake at this cheap prices. I'm not stupid. I can just hold this for years, even for 4 years. I know that crypto will go up one day, so I'll just invest in cake and then stake it here and then wait for 4 years, and then at the end of the 4 years, if this 100% is stable, then I would have 400% extra cake. I'll of course choose this. And then there's a bridges for changing your coin from BSC to Ethereum or Ethereum to Polygon. Yes, many people are adapting to different ecosystem like BSC or Polygon. I mean, this will be the easy thing to do. You can just bridge the token here and then use it here. You don't need any other bridges, right? You don't need any other website, and then no need to read those documents and then be prepared. So I will of course use this. I'll show how to borrow by using a collateral. In case if you guys stake cake, just put the amount of cake you want to stake and then deposit. The collateral ratio is 200%. What it means is, if you deposit $100 of cake, you will be able to borrow $50 of RUSD, which is a stable coin. So you can borrow $50 and then again invest in cake. So it's like hyper compounding, just like what it was in AWay platform for high APY. But remember guys, there is a liquidation ratio. Be careful. If the cake price goes down, you might get liquidated. I think you guys might remember the Luna platform where people invested thousands of dollars and then made 10x returns. But when the market was crashing, they got liquidated. That was a big problem at this time. So the market is uncertain. It's better not to borrow anything. In case if you borrow, just borrow 10% or 20%, not more than that. There is high possibility of getting liquidated in these type of forms. So be careful guys, everything has a risk. So let's talk about the tokenomics. It is an yield optimizer because they hyper compound themselves. They give APY instead of APR. APY is just compound interest, while APR is simple interest. I hope you guys understand. And then you can borrow money, keeping your staked coins as a collateral. Cross-chain liquidity transactions is coming soon. So this is great. And they have burning plans. Yes, when they burn their tokens, the prices automatically increase. We have seen many different projects. They just give rewards for their stakers. Those who stake the RAM token, they take the fees and then divide the fees into the users who stake the RAM. And then they have governance as usual, like many different projects. They have governance. And then farming efficiency will be coming soon. They didn't implement this yet. And then they also have liquidity programs. Overall, in my opinion, this is a good project to invest in, as there is many big investors into this game. So this one seems safe. So I don't ask you guys to invest. I'm just bringing out a video about this project. That's it. I'm not a financial advisor. So DeFi has so much risks. As you have seen, there's so much rug pulls in DeFi space. So many guys, so many rug pulls. So be careful before investing. This is a good place for staking your cake and then using different strategies. So make use of it, this guys. Thank you guys. That's it. And then for more videos like DeFi content, ICO reviews, please do subscribe and like to the channel and follow me on Twitter. Thank you guys.